Hey, what are you making?
Passion fruit juice.
That's gorgeous. So I generally have been really lazy with the passion fruit and just broken them open and eaten them, even though they're very sour, and I know that they're better as juice. How did you do this?
I looked up a recipe or two, and I didn't actually re-look it up before I did this, so don't quote me on the ratio here, but I did cut open 3 passion fruits and scooped out all the inside, seeds and all, into the blender with some water and some sugar, and then strain it through. So you want 4.5 cups, if I remember correctly, 4.5 cups of water total for 3 passion fruits and like 2.
Those are the passion fruit down there, the halves. You just scrape the inside out.
Honestly, it was like either 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of sugar, and I can't remember which, so I just kind of used cereal spoon.
Well, it's very, very acid.
They are, and
you have to take the edge off.
To taste after, because this is really kind of the first time I've actually done this.
Well, it looks beautiful to me.
The last time I did it didn't work out so well. Because I didn't even bother to look up a recipe. And it didn't come out very well. So.
Good, so this is not authoritative.
This is not. This is, I'm trying something out, and my husband came through in here and said, I've got to film that. So that's all this is.
Welcome back. The video is a little bit later today. Well, actually a lot later, because it's after 4 o'clock now, and we are doing the evening hour instead of the morning hour. This morning I actually spent some time putting up a post by author Amy Strauss. She wrote the book The Suburban Micro Farm, which I reviewed for Mother Earth News a couple of months ago, and it's a really good book. So I actually kind of made friends with her. I wrote her and said, Amy, would you write a post for The Survival Gardener? And she said, sure. So her post is on how to deal with neighbors that don't like your front yard gardens. She's like got this awesome edible landscaping thing growing. So I'll put a link in the description so you can go read her article and leave some comments for her. And check out her book too, The Suburban Micro Farm. It is really good. It's like she's my gardening sister from another mother. So let's get into gardening for now. And I'll stop talking about how I spent my morning. My oldest son, the one who did the Jedi surprise animation actually this last week that I posted, but everybody was confused about. My oldest son came over here to surprise me today and roughed this whole area up, like cleaned up the remainder of it and made the area nice. So it is gonna be able to be finished today, and I got some beans that I'm going to plant over here. I'm going to turn this into 2 beds, and I'm using the triangular hoe, which I got from Easy Digging, easydigging.com. I've been using this thing now for a few years, and it's faster and it's really good for shaping beds. And like if you have to knock out a piece of sod or something like that, it's a great tool. And I like to make furrows with it too. As you can see, this ground is really hard and dry. This is not ideal, but we're just gonna pray the rain comes in and everything works out okay in the end. Beans can handle it anyhow. Gotta have faith.
Probably make a very lousy Japanese rock gardener.
Wow, what is that?
I have no idea.
Looks cool.
What do you think it is?
Leave an answer on my web zone if you know what this mysterious object is.
Is it metal? It is, right?
It's metal. It's like a hook for something, maybe. Neat.
Yeah.
There you go. If you give me $100 on Patreon, I'll sign it and mail it to you.
I think that's good enough.
I'm the anarchist. And she's the one that will do a bed so it's all like wavy, and then say it's done. I remember one time she planted this bed and it was like all over the place. I'm like, you can't do that. That's wrong.
I did it.
It's evil. It's actually like, if you're gonna start making the lines, you have to continue the lines. You just, anyhow, I'm giving this like at least like a 2.5 foot center on it so we can walk in between the beds.
Dad, look what I found!
What did you find? Some sort of red object. Good job.
Finding?
Yeah, good job finding it. You can sign it and we'll mail it to somebody.
Mom, can I dig here?
No, you can dig over there.
Okay, can I write here?
I think we're about done.
Dig here with this?
These are supposed to be Tabasco peppers, and some of them are ready. I've never tried a Tabasco pepper before. I've only had like Louisiana hot sauce, Tabasco sauce. Should I try it? See what it's like? Yeah, why not? That is incredibly hot. That's amazing.
So, how does it compare to a habanero?
It's not as hot as a habanero.
Folks,
But if you cooked it with a little vinegar, and if you smoked it, that would be a really good hot sauce. Put it in a smoker, I don't mean put it in a pipe. That would probably kill you. Okay, if it's been the dry season and your peppers have not had any water, and they might not actually be Tabasco peppers, but Thai peppers because you're not sure, don't eat the whole thing if you're gonna taste test it. I'm just saying, one of my kids is going to get some sugar and some milk, and Rachel feels really bad that she encouraged me to eat that pepper on camera. She's not stopped laughing for like 5 minutes. So, until next time, may your thumbs always be green. Look how it's hot. So hot peppers aside, this is looking good. I think I'm gonna put some bush beans over here, and I'm gonna put some Kentucky pole beans over here, and put some sticks in, and maybe put a trellis in the middle of it. We gotta figure that out. But I'm gonna make Rachel eat one of those hot peppers. That would be funny, because I could take the spicy food. Yeah, this is pretty good. So we claimed a little spot. Now we got something to show, and now all we need is some rain. I don't really feel like carrying over buckets and buckets of water, so we just need a little bit of rain. It's been sprinkling a little bit at night. We get one good rain, the beans are going in. I guess over the next few days we'll just keep clearing areas until the rain comes, then we're gonna start planting. So now really, thanks for joining me. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green. Oh, and don't forget to check out Amy Strauss's article on my site. I'll put the link. It's really good. I really like her book. You'll dig it. Catch y'all later. Don't eat any hot peppers.
No, are you kidding me?
Come on.
No.
You can have it. It's not a big deal. Just take it. Take it. Hey!
There's no way I'm eating that. None. No.
It's fun. I enjoyed it.
Honestly, I should say that I should let everybody know that you eat very spicy food a lot, and I did not think that those peppers would be that spicy. I just sort of assumed you'd be like, oh, these are good. They have a nice heat to them, and I would never have encouraged
That was serious.
to eat that if I hadn't realized that there would be that much.
Like, the United States has bombed countries over things like that.
Yeah, so I really feel badly about that. I guess I'll think twice before encouraging you to.
Yeah, here, jump in the poison ivy.
Yeah. But